gotcha. Okay. She's gonna ride the motorcycle. I asked her if she was ready. She said, I asked her if she knew how to ride. She said, it's kind of like driving a bicycle, but it ain't got pedals.
Is it on?
No.
Turn it off, put it in front.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay, tell me something. What's this thing here?
What's this thing here? Let's do a throttle it.
Back brake.
What's back brake? You don't have to worry, you're not going to do any stopping. I already tried it. So you can't stop, okay? So it just slows you down.
And the video, I do that.
Where's the foot sit? Where sit down? Hang on, you're here. Alright. Now, lay it out easy for the car. Lay it out easy. Yeah. You'll go over it.
Hey, I ain't on video.
I think you have to press that button.
Hey, you'll go over it. You just gotta believe. That was scary. Just let up the button slow.
Turn her that way.
Oh, no. Just stop. It was stop. No. I'm done. No, what happened? They'll jump. I'm done. Shut yourself. Hey, no. Slowly getting off of it. Putting the kickstand down. Don't do that. Well, you better help me because all we're doing is just sit right here.
That way.
Let up slowly. No!
Where's the brake? God, you didn't show her the brake. She's scared.
Get your foot up. You'll hurt yourself. You'll fall. You're gonna fall if you put your foot down. You gotta put your foot down.